everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic Introduction to the Drug Safety. Before that, what is drug? Drug is any substance that are intended for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation and cure of any disease or disorder. Drug safety is the critical aspect of the pharmaceutical development and healthcare that ensure medication are effective, safe and used appropriately. Drug safety is the very important aspect in the pharmacovigilance. So, what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of any adverse related to the medicine. Then, it ensures that the medications are used safely and effectively, protecting patient from potential harm. Then we see which are the key concept in the drug safety. First one is the adverse drug reaction. So what is ADR? ADR means adverse drug reaction. It is any response to a drug which is noxious and unintended, which occur normally in a man of prophylaxis, diagnosis and therapy of disease or modification of physiologic function. Monitoring this reaction is vital for identifying risk associated with specific medication. Then second one is the risk management. This involves the strategies to minimize the risk associated drug therapy. It includes risk communication, risk assessment and risk minimization technique. Then third one is the regulatory framework. Regulatory agencies like the FDA means Food and Drug Administration in US and EMA means European Medicine Agencies in Europe play essential role in the drug safety. They establish guidelines and monitor the drug safety profile of medication throughout their life cycle. Then stages of drug safety monitoring. In this, first one is the preclinical testing. Preclinical testing which is performed on the animal with the proper ethics. In preclinical study, pharmacological testing, pharmaceutical testing, pharmacokinetic profiling and toxicological development. Before a drug is tested in human, it undergoes a laboratory and animal testing to evaluate its safety profile. Then second is the clinical study which is performed on the human. IND filing the application to the FDA for the clinical study in phase 1. In this clinical trial, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 assess the safety and efficacy in human. Adverse events are recorded and analysis. Then third stage is the post-marketing surveillance. In post-marketing surveillance, after approval of new drug, continuous monitoring is conducted to identify any rare or long-term adverse effect that may not have been evident in earlier trials. Then what are the importance of drug safety? First one is the patient safety, protecting patient from the harmful effect of medication. Then second is the public health. In this, ensuring the safe use of medications and overall public health and in trust in the healthcare system. Then third one is the healthcare cost. Reduce adverse drug reaction can lead to lower healthcare cost and associated with the hospitalization and additional treatment. Then challenges of drug safety. First one is the unreporting of ADR. Many ADR go unreported and which can hinder accurate safety assessment. Then second one is the complexity of drug interaction. In this, patients often take multiple medications and increasing the risk of interaction and complicating safety evaluation. Then third one is the vulnerable population. In this, certain group like elderly may be at the higher risk of ADR. Then future direction. In this technological advance, improve data collection method and such as electronic health record and real-time monitoring enhance the ability to track the drug safety. Then second is the patient engagement. In encouraging the patient to report ADR can improve data quality and safety outcomes. Then third one is the global collaboration. Sharing the data and experience across border can strengthen pharmacovigilance efforts worldwide. Then steps for the drug safety. In this, first one is the identification of drug, then second is dilution of drug, then third one is the contents, and fourth is the clarity, then expiry date, and then last one is the compatibility. These are the steps for the drug safety. In precaution for the drug safety, in this the drug should be clearly labeled, and label on the both ampule and syringe should be read carefully before the drug is injected. Drug safety is the dynamic and essential field with the healthcare, and ensuring that the benefits of the medication outweigh of the risk. Continuous monitoring, then regulatory oversight, and active engagement with the healthcare professional and patient are vital for maintaining the drug safety and standard and protecting public health. That's all about the introduction to the drug safety. Thank you.